my co-partner in the kitchen. Where's my mommy? She's making her boy somewhere. How you doing, people?
Ready to roll. Let's roll.
Let's roll. Hello ladies, hello gents. Thank you for being here today. My name is Mira Skinner, and on today's video, I'll be taking you guys on a journey to my country, Cameroon, especially to my tribe, Batu, where we have a delicacy called Achu and Yellow Soup. That is what we have on the menu today, guys. And I'll be showing you guys how to make this. It normally takes a while to cook, but each time we cook this, we are thinking about where we come from, and we are just having so much fun around the table with family. I'll be showing you guys how to do that. Thank you so much and stay tuned. For the Achoo, you're gonna need cocoyams, 2 types of cocoyams. Back home we call it, we call Igbo cocoa, and the other one that is underneath, the reason why you're seeing it like this because I've already washed it and prepped, and we call this one Mami cocoa. But if you're in the United States, this is called Taro, and the other one is called the small Malanga. So you're gonna use this to make the Achoo. Right now I'm just gonna put water in the pot and boil it for about 45 minutes. Then we're gonna start mashing it. We now have water in the pot and the fire is blazing right now. So when you have water, make sure that you put enough water because you don't want it to get burnt. You look at the way it is when it's already wet. That's how it's gonna look. And we're gonna be boiling this for about 45 minutes. Depending on how your fire blazes, you can boil it for like 40. So it's been 45 minutes and the cocoyams is ready. Take a look at that. Ooh, that's hot. So you see, you don't want it to be overcooked because if it is overcooked, it's gonna be too soft. So now we can start mashing it. So I'm gonna take this out and put it in a bowl so that we can start peeling. It's hot, so if you cannot stand the heat, you can use a spoon to remove it. You want to leave it on the fire until it's all done, because if you take it out, then you're gonna have a problem. If you don't have a mortar, you can use the juicer. This is what I normally use because I prefer to use this since it is easier, it is cleaner, it is faster. Because if you're using a mortar, you can take a long time just to pound and pound and pound. But after using this juicer to make the Achoo, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the pot and try to mix it. This is a step that most people miss, and then the Achoo is not authentic. So after we are done, I'm gonna show you guys how to mix and beats. Let's start with the grinding. So I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling this. I have some water here in case it gets too hot for me. So you wanna just peel it like so and put it in there. When you're mashing it, it's gonna look like this. Okay? That's easy. So I just took out the bigger ones. You want to be mixing them while you're blending. So the first batch, I took out the smaller cocoyams, and now I'm taking out the big ones. These are really hot, so I need to soak my hands. So you take it out, make sure that you take out all the peelings out of it. All done blending the Achoo. This is where you have to mix, and you need some strength to do this. If you have a mortar, you can just put it inside and it's gonna be easier, but you have to mix it so that it is not having all the grains inside. You have to mix this for approximately 10 minutes. You need that strength to mix it. This is why it's a traditional meal. For the yellow soup, what we need is palm oil. We do need some palm oil, you need, this is called niki. It's made out of green plantain peelings. This is the best one to use because it is kind of natural, but other people do use bicarbonate. That is not good. Use niki for your yellow soup. We do have the Achoo spices here. It is all blended. I'm gonna do another video to show you what is in here. The reason why I have it in a container is because when it's airy, when air gets into it, it gets really you don't get a flavor anymore. So that's why I have it corked in here. We also have some scotch bonnet pepper right here. You need salt. You also need maggi. This is going to be to taste. And I am extra. So I have beef in here. I have some tripe. I also have cow skin. I have fish. This is smoked fish. It's called cover pot fish. This is really, really good for Achoo soup. I got this from Cameroon. It is all the way from Cameroon, so it is authentic. I also have some smoked beef right here and some another fish. I like to mix the smoked fish because I am a fan of smoked fish. This is optional, but it gives you an extra taste. So we're gonna go right in and start boiling everything, and you see how the process is gonna go. First, for the niki, what we want to do is want to put this in boiled water. You need to make sure that you put in the boiled water because that's the water that you're gonna use to make the soup. This is what actually turns the soup yellow. We do have our water, we already brought it to boil, so we're gonna go in and put the niki. Be careful not to let it come out of the pot. So we're gonna put this. We're good. So to start making the yellow soup, we are going to cook the cow skin and the tripe together because these ones take a longer time to cook than the beef. So when it's almost half done, we're gonna add the other ones. So go in with water. You wanna put a lot of water because this is what you're gonna be using to make the soup. And I'm gonna put some cubes in there. So that's 3 cubes. So you're gonna go in with a little bit of salt and more water. And then let it boil. So the cow skin and the tripe, they are all half done. We're gonna go in now with the beef. We'll give that a stir. That's a lot of particulars. You don't have to make it with all this beef. I just like it when there's a lot. So you can actually make this yellow soup with beef and cow skin only. If you don't have the tripe and the intestines, I do have some intestine in it. If you don't have intestines, you don't have the tripe, you can only use cow skin and beef. I just like to add these other things to it because it really makes it more authentic. And right in the other pot, we have the fish. I decided to boil this fish in another pot because it doesn't take too long to cook. Right here, we do have that. Let me see. See, it's almost done. Oh, the aroma in here, it's so good. And in this other pot, we have the garnishing. This is garden eggs. Like I told you guys, I am really extra. This is garden eggs. When it's cooked, we're gonna use this to garnish the food when it's all served. So the meat is all cooked and ready. We're gonna take it out of the pot because what we're using to make the soup is the stock of the meat. I'll take out the fish because we also need a stock of the fish. Oof. Aroma, the aroma, guys. So this is the niki that we made earlier on. We're just gonna strain it and make sure that you don't put the bottom of it inside. So now we're going in with the palm oil. We're gonna heat this up. This is what is gonna make the soup. We have our stock right here, and we also have the palm oil. We're gonna go ahead and pour the palm oil into the stock. When you're pouring it, make sure you don't pour too much. You might overdo it. So you're gonna go in with your niki. Okay. So like I said, the niki is what is going to make it to be yellow. So go ahead and add a little bit of niki in it, because that's not enough. Take a look at that. The niki is what is making it to foam like this. And also other people, when they want to make it foam, they use a blender, but I prefer to do it this way. And using the blender is going to make it thick. Also, when you keep doing this, it's still going to get thick in here. So now we're going to go in with the Achoo spices. Put about 3 tablespoons of it. That's like 3 tablespoons.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go in with the beef. Ooh. So now you have your yellow sauce. It is so yummy. Just take a look at that. I had to put the beef in here because I want it to soak in there. When the beef is inside, it has a lot of flavor and another taste. For the smoked fish, I'm not gonna put it in the sauce. I'm just gonna eat it from the bowl. Take a look at that. There you have it, your yellow soup. So we are all done with the achoo, and right now we have it all boiled, and it's time to serve the soup. Just give it a good stir. And do that. And now we're gonna do the taste test. Oh my goodness. Yummy in my tummy. This is so good. Thank you so much, guys, for watching to this video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell. That way you know when we have new uploads. And also share this video with your friends. You're gonna love this. Love you all. Bye. Cheers to the future.